Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some fake handheld camera shake with wiggle expression in Adobe After Effects CC. So guys, it's a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Open After Effects and create a new composition. I'm using a 1920 by 1080 pixels composition, but you are free to choose your own. Now drag your footage on the project panel. Then drag the footage on the media timeline. We're going to add some fake camera shake to this clip. First, we have to scale the clip to have some room. Press S on your keyboard to open scale. Now scale up the footage. Now press P to open position. Hold Alt and click on the watch icon to open the position expression. Now type in wiggle. As you can see, I am using the latest version of Adobe After Effects. That's why After Effects is suggesting the expression. But you have to type if you are not using the updated version. I am using 2 for the frequency and 10 for the amplitude. You can always play with the frequency and amplitude value to get more constant result. Now you can see some camera shake. You can always play with the frequency and amplitude value to get more constant result. Now let's increase the frequency and amplitude to get more shaky footage. It's better to keep it low. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.